Tired of struggling with low tire pressure or wasting time waiting at crowded gas stations? Imagine having a fast, reliable way to keep your tires perfectly inflated wherever you go. Meet the CARSUN T2221 Tire Inflator with digital dual values display, your convenient all-in-one solution for safer, smoother drives. About the product. CARSUN Portable Air Compressor's multifunctional AC and DC dual power supply design can draw power from both vehicle and wall outlets. Its DC plug is designed for a 12-volt cigarette lighter socket, while its AC plug is designed for a 110-volt or 120-volt wall outlet. Come with 3 additional adapters, which make it perfect for cars, motorcycles, bike tires, air mattress, inflatable boats, balls, and other inflatables. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the CARSUN T2221 Quick Connector, User Manual, Air Nozzles. Product description: handle, preset air pressure scene mode, barometric value, AC insertion status light, plus key, light key, start and pause, scene mode switching, AC interface, barometric unit, DC interface, DC insertion status light, unit switching, minus key, LED light, air tube. How to use. First, connect the air hose. No tools are needed, simply tighten by hand. Then set the desired pressure. Once pressure is set, press the air button. Now inflate the tire to the set pressure. The unit will automatically shut off when the correct pressure is met. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.